Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are all doing well. We are going to be talking about what is inside seed. Basically, when we look at the seed, there are few parts which are being enclosed inside the seed coat. There is an embryo, there are nutrients inside the seed, and there are the leaves which grow out of the seed. So, what is a seed? A seed is a small embryonic plant that is enclosed in a covering called seed coat, usually with some stored food. Now, if you look at this diagram, there is a plumule, there is a radicle, there is a cotyledon, there is a testa which is a seed coat, and there is a microphyll. The radicle is the part of the seed where the root develops. You can see in this diagram a radicle is very much clear. Then comes the plumule where the shoot tip with a pair of miniature leaves grow. That grows outside the ground, which is above, it grows above the ground. Then comes the embryo. The embryo is what forms the new plant once the opportune conditions are present. So it basically develops into a new plant. Then there is a seed coat. The seed coat protects the embryo. It can be of the varying thickness depending upon the seed type. Every seed has a different thickness. Then there are some plants, they have one cotyledon, they are called the monocot, and some have two cotyledons which are called the dicot. Now comes to the process of the seed germination. How does a seed grows into a new plant? If we look at the complete cycle, there are different stages. Germination in plants is the process by which a dormant seed begins to sprout and grow into a seedling under the right growing conditions. If we talk in a simple words, that germination is emergence of radicle and plumule through seed coat. So, what is required for germination? There are some external factors, which is water, temperature, oxygen, light, and internal factors are how well the seed is. So, what are the requirements for germination as temperature? They require a specific temperature to grow. Then oxygen is one of the most important factor that is required for germination. So when when the seed has enough oxygen, then it starts growing. Then water. Mature seeds have relatively little moisture to prevent decay, so they need proper amount of water for them. Now this is a diagram which shows you different stages how a seed is being grown into a new plant. Now it's a germination of a sunflower. You can all see that radicle grows downwards and the plumule grows upward. After this, you all have to read your textbooks from page number 108 till 114 and answer these two questions on an A4 sheet. I want all of you to please answer the questions, draw the related diagrams, the germination of the seed one, and then take a picture of that A4 sheet and turn in your assignment on the Google Classroom. If there is any ambiguity, if there is any question, you can always ask me, right? So in the end, I would like everyone to stay home and stay safe. Thank you.